Hey divas, so in today's video I am here to share with you guys a collective MAC haul. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep watching. Do people still like hauls? I love to still watch haul videos, but is anybody else still interested? Because I am. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into these. I'm gonna try to go by like category and everything, like face and things like that. So we'll see how it goes though. It might not be in a particular order. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this. This is the Studio Fix Tech. If you guys seen, I actually already did my review on this foundation, and I'm actually wearing the foundation today, and it is just so beautiful. This has been my go-to lately, and I got the color NW47 because usually I am NW48, but this was a very good match for me. As you guys can tell, this is a really good match, and I really do love this foundation. I did do a video on it, so if you guys are interested to know like how I feel about it, then you can definitely go and watch that video. But yeah, and as you guys can see, like I love it because it was my go-to. But if you want to know like the full review and the details and the specs and all that, and whether or not it'll be good for you, definitely make sure you go ahead and watch it. And just go ahead and watch it after this video just to support me, okay? I would appreciate it. So anyways, this is what it looks like. So I just did not like the fact that they went like silver instead of like the traditional black. I don't know. So anyways, this is what it looks like. So this is a cream to powder foundation, and I love it. It's really good. I do have combo skin, so it works really well for me, and I just love how beautiful and flawless it looks on the skin. But yeah, so this is the first thing I got. So the next thing we're going to talk about is this powder. So this is the Studio Fix Powder Plus foundation. So I hesitated to try this for a while because I was so hooked on my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. I felt like that was like the best powder ever. But however, I have been a full coverage girl for whatever reason. So I was like, you know what? I want to try this, and I love it. I'm wearing it today, and it just pairs so beautifully with every foundation that I have worn it with so far. I have this one in the color NW48 because that is actually my color. And it does come, actually let me show you guys. So it does come with the standard MAC packaging now, and then it also comes with a mirror, and the Studio Tech come with a mirror as well, but obviously I don't want to like blind you guys because I have lights. So here's how the powder looks, and I know you're like, girl, that looks super light. Once you apply it onto the skin, it does look different. So I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys so you guys can see that it looks like it blends right into the skin. Okay, they do look light for some reason, but then they definitely go ahead and oxidize. So they are very good color matches. I love it. I'm wearing it today, and it just looks absolutely beautiful. So I've been really loving this powder. This powder is definitely a holy grail of mine now. So I also picked up some new Studio Fix foundation. I absolutely love it. Here is my old one, and I really do love it. I'm in the color NW48 in this one as well. It's like the perfect match, and that's why I really love MAC, because I feel like I can always count on them to find like my perfect shade. So yeah, so I just picked up some more because it's like my trusty, okay? Like if I don't know what foundation to go to, like I'm going to this foundation. So the next thing I picked up is this new primer. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance. This is not something I would typically go for, but I wanted something hydrating for my skin. So overall, I've used it a couple times and I do like it, but I would definitely recommend if you are oily or a combo like me and you get like your oily areas get really oily quickly, I would recommend this for like the colder season or like fall and winter season, because yeah, like I'm not gonna use this during the heat, but this is a really nice primer. So the next things I picked up were blushes. I'm getting back into blush, and I'm actually wearing one of the blushes, which I'll go over that one first. I'm getting back into blushes because I don't know, like I don't know how I fell off from blushes, but I did. So anyways, I got 3, and the first one that I'm going to show you guys is Raisin. And I really love the way it looks. It gives me like that really beautiful warm type of look, and it's just such a beautiful color. I feel like it looks good on everybody because I was looking at videos of people that had it on, and it just looks good on so many different skin tones. So I really love that one. The next one that I got is called Fever, which I had this one before, but it was like super old, so I needed a new one. So So yeah, here it is. It's just like a beautiful pink color because I felt like this is going to be essential if I was going to get back into blush, and it's really going to be essential for the summer. And the last one is my first mineralized blush. These blushes are so pigmented, and this one is called Love Thing, and it is so beautiful. I cannot wait to wear this one because I haven't gotten to wear it out, but it's just so pigmented. When I swatched it, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I can't get it open. Okay, so here it is. So it's like a beautiful pink color, but it's just so pigmented and it's just so beautiful on the skin. Like, I just love the way it looks. I adore it. So I can't wait to wear this. But yeah, this is one of the blushes that I got into, and let me know how you guys feel about blush. Like, are you guys into blush now as well, or have you always been into blush? Just talk to me. I'm nosy. I want to know. So the last 3 things I got are lip products. So I did get a lip glass, a mini one, so that I can carry it in my purse, because I feel like it's always good to just have like a lip gloss on you in your purse, just in case your lips are looking crazy, or just in case you need to touch up, or you might have forgot your lip gloss or your lip color. So I feel like that is essential, and it's just a mini one. I have the larger size as well, but I felt like this would be good to have to throw down in the purse. The other 2 that I got are lipsticks. So the first one I'm going to share with you guys is a Powder Kiss lipstick, and I love these because they're super pigmented. And the one that I got is in Kinda Sorta, and it's beautiful. It looks just like Soar. So yeah, that's why I was drawn to it, and I felt like it would be perfect for the summer and springtime. And then the second one that I got is a cream Sheen lipstick, and this one is Creme de Nude. And I just wanted like a really light type of lipstick that I can mix in with like my other lip glosses, and of course with the lip liner, because this one is pretty light. You can make this work if you're chocolatey like me, but you're definitely gonna need a lip liner, okay? So yeah, that was my quick collective MAC haul. Let me know what you guys have picked up recently. I would love to know, or if you guys still wear MAC makeup or whatever, let me know what you guys have picked up recently, and just tell me anything you want to. I would love to communicate with you guys. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video and find it very helpful and easy to follow, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what you're thinking, or let me know what lipsticks is your favorite. What have you guys recently picked up, whether it's by MAC or not? Just let me know. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit the notification bell. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.